I love my home. I've been living in Kent for nearly 20 years. But last year, my family had a real crisis when our septic system failed.
Dad, the toilet is backing up!
Putting in a new septic system is expensive, but so is connecting our house to the city sewer. How am I supposed to pay for this on top of everything else?
The toilet is backing up again.
I was relieved to hear about financial assistance from my neighbor. You got help from King County?
Yeah, it didn't cover the entire cost, but it helped a lot.
I called the King County Health Department. They helped me find financial support to connect to the sewer system.
No more backups.
Now that we're connected to the sewer, I was able to put in a room above the garage and rent it out.
Nice.
Hello, King County Septic System Program. How can I help you?